On Z plus, define the star as A star B is equal to A minus B. Here we have 5 problems. These 5 problems we have to check whether they are binary operation or not. Now see here, already I given what is the binary operation definition. What is the actual binary operation is? The star should be a function. This is the actual definition. But when we are solving the problems, there is another condition. It is a simple condition. It is here A comma B should be belongs to Z plus. If we operate the operation between A and B, if the result also belongs to the same set, then we can say it is binary operation. That means see here A value I am taking from Z plus means positive integers. A value 1. B value I am taking suppose. Now apply the operation here. That is A star B is A minus B. That is A star B. A star B is equal to A minus B. What is the A value is 1. Star B means here 2 is equal to, substitute here the values. So A value is 1 minus what is the B value is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now this minus 1 is not belongs to Z plus. When it is not belongs to the belonging set, that is not binary operation. Remember carefully. Here we have to choose A value, B value. Anything you can choose. Anything you can choose. You can choose here 2, 1 also. If you choose 2, 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now this 1 is belongs to Z plus. But this operation should be applied for every element of Z plus. For every element it should be 2. Then only it is binary operation. But here in the one of the case, that case I am taking, which is going to be failed. That is A star B is equal to A minus B is the given operation. Now A value is 1, B value is 2. Now I am doing the operation between 1 and 2. If the result is belongs to the same set, then it is binary operation. It is not belongs to the same set, it is not binary operation. Therefore, star is not binary operation. Now come to the second problem. What is the operation here? A star B is equal to A into B. It is here the operation is multiplication. That is A star B is equal to A into B. Now here also this A comma B should be from Z plus. Positive integers. That is I am taking A value is 2, B value is 3. You can take anything. But you should take positive only because this operation is defined on positive integers. Now here, apply the operation. A star B, it is 2 star, what is the B value is 3. Substitute A, what is the A value is 2. B value is 3. 2 into 3. That is answer is 6. Now this 6 is belongs to Z plus or not. This belongs to positive integers or Z plus. So therefore star is binary operation. See here the result not belongs to the same set. That's why it is not binary operation. Here the result is belongs to the given set only. That's why it is binary operation. Now come to the next one. What is the operation? Is A star B is equal to AB square. So here A value, B value from the real numbers. In the real numbers, can I take A value as 1, B value as 2. Anything you can take. Or you can take negative values also. It is minus 1, B value 2. Suppose here, substitute here, A star B is equal to AB square, and what is the A star B? Minus 1 star, what is the B is 2 is equal to. Now what is the A value? Minus 1. Next, B square, that is 2 square, that is minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Now this minus 4 is belongs to the real number. That means the result is belongs to the same set. Then we can say is star is binary operation. Next, come to this one. Here A value, B value, only integers, positive integers. That is A value is 1, B value I am making 2. Substitute. If the result also belongs to the same set, then you can say it is binary operation. It is not belongs to the same set, it is not binary operation. So substitute A star B, that is 1 star 2 is equal to mod of A minus B, that is A value 1 minus 2. That is mod of minus 1. So mod of minus 1 is plus 1. Again it is belongs to Z plus. So we can say star is binary operation. Next, see this one. Again, it is again Z plus. Suppose A value I am taking 2, B value is 3. Now A star B is, that is 2 star 3 is A. What is the A? 2. Answer is 2. Now this 2 is belongs to Z plus. This 2 is belongs to Z plus. So it is star is binary operation. So this is the process to find or to check it is binary operation or not. How to check? Suppose given set is Z plus, we have to take 2 elements from the Z plus. If you apply the operation on Z plus, here what is the operation here? Star is the operation, that is defined as A minus B. After applying the operation, if the result belongs to the same set, then it is binary operation. Otherwise, it is not binary operation. So, in these problems, first one is not binary operation, remaining all are binary operations. Come to the next column. The operation is A star B as defined as A minus B on integers. Now, this operation we have to check it is a binary operation or not, it is commutative or not, and it is associative or not. 3 points we have to discuss. So, first I am checking it is binary operation or not. See here. I am taking A value is 1, B value is 2. That is substitute. What is the operation is A star B is equal to A minus B. Substitute. A value is 1 star, B value is 2. So substitute 1 minus B value is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now this minus 1 is belongs to the same set of. Here I am taking a value, b value from the z integers. Now again, after solving or after applying the operation, if the result is minus 1, now this minus 1 is belongs to the same set integers, that is binary operation. Now this minus 1 is belongs to integers z, so it is binary operation. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Now, binary operation complete. Next, what do you have to check? You have to check commutative. It is commutative or not. Now here, what is the commutative properties? A star B should be equal to B star A. For all A comma B belongs to which set here? Z. Now see here, A value I am taking 1, B value I am taking. Now see here, what is the A value is? A value is 1, B value 2. Now check this one. First I am checking A star B. What is the A star B is? A minus B. Now here, substitute 1. A value is 1. 1 star 2 is equal to, that is 1 minus 2. That is minus 1. This is the LHS part. LHS angle. LHS is A star B. This is the A star B. Next I am taking RHS part. What is RHS part is? That is B star A. See here, A star B means A minus B. B star A means, that is reverse, B minus A. That means in place of, see here, in place of A is B, in place of B is A. So A star B means A minus B. B star A means B minus A. Now see here, what is the B value? B value is 2 here. Star 1. A value is 1. So substitute, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now if you observe here, LHS answer is minus 1 and RHS answer is plus 1. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, or what you can write, A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore star is not commutative. Then what about the associate? What about the associate? See here, what is the associate conditions? A star of B star C should be equal to A star B star C. Here A comma B comma C should be belongs to the integers, the given set. Now here we need 3 values. Before we took 2 values only. Now we have to take 3 values. Now see here, I am taking the values. A value is 1, B value is 2, C value is 3. You can choose any other values also. No issue. Now here, I am taking LHS part. What is LHS is? A star of B stars. Now, A means 1, star of B means 2, star of C means 3. Now, for which part we have to apply the operation? Which is in the brackets, that one first we have to solve. means first we have to solve 2 star 3. That means 1 star is same. It is 1 star is same. Now see, the operation is, it is A star B. It is A star B. Just imagine, A star B is A minus B. That means the difference of 2 elements. Now here also, 2 star 3. That is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. So there is 1 star of 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now again it is A star B. A star B is A minus B. Now 1 star minus 1. That is 1 minus. Next, what is the B element is minus 1. That is 1 minus in minus plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Now this value is 2. Now what about the RHS? RHS. Now see, RHS is A star B star C. A star B star C. Substitute the values here. A value is 1, star B value is 2, close the bracket, star C is 3. Now which one we have to solve? Within the brackets we have to solve. That means 1 star 2 we have to solve. So just imagine the case as A star B. So A star B means operation is A minus B. So 1 star 2 means the operation is 1 minus 2 star 3. Now here 1 minus 2 is minus 1 star 3. Now again apply the operation A B. A star B. A star B means A minus B. That is minus 1. That is A. Next operation is minus here. Minus, next element is 3, minus 1, minus 3, that is minus 4. Now, if you observe here, LHS answer is 2, RHS answer is minus 4. These both are not equal. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS or therefore A star of B star C is not equal to A star B star C. It is not equal to. Therefore, star is not associative. So this A minus A star equal to A minus B is this binary operation here. After binary operation, we check that one is it is commutative or not, associative or not. So this A minus B is not commutative and not associative.